up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be giving you some satisfying content. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out my new cross, and hope you guys enjoy this video like I will. Alright guys, so I'm giving my dog a bath. I'm getting it ready now. So it's very satisfying when watch. This water needs to chill. Alright guys, so we're trying to keep the bubbles at a minimum, so as you guys can see how satisfying this is. I mean, shoot, I would want to be my dog right now because this water feels so good. Ah, it's like a perfect temperature for us. But this is actually a flea bath, so what I do, it scared me, this cold water, so I put the hot water in. So what this actually is, guys, is a flea bath. So what I do is I add Dawn to the bubbles. I like to keep it, you know. But mostly flea stuff. So I put a little Dawn and a lot of flea stuff because this is actually what's her Christmas Eve present. So guys, go check out that video. That was a cool video. She was like, and now we just mix. And while she's soaking in this, I put some on her, scrub it in, and then I Okay, so and then I brush her teeth, like I just did to mine, and give her a bath because I'm enjoying this more than her. Peace. By the way, guys, she hates baths. Peace. About 30 minutes later. Ready to get out? We used about that much. About, from it was up to here, so we used that much, and then we used a little bit of Dawn. So yeah, everybody ready? So now I'm gonna blow dry her. Don't worry, I cover up her ears.